Hi, my name is John Moss. I'm the service manager here at Colton RV. Today I'd like to talk to you about some steps we're taking during our service check-in process, as well as some steps that we're taking in the store to keep you and our staff safe during these times. When you come in to drop off your RV and meet with our service advisor, some things will be normal and a few things have changed. Meeting with our advisor, you will notice that we have set some chairs outside of the advisor's office. This has been measured out at about 6 feet to keep you and our advisor safe during the conversation and write-up process. After your visit, the chair you're using will be sanitized for the next customer. Before your RV is brought to our service lot or one of our technicians' bays, it will be going through a sanitizing process. The sanitizing process includes sanitizing the keys, the steering wheel, the door handles, all hard surfaces that we may come in contact with. It will also include a fog sanitizing process called Fresh Start. Everyone that comes in contact with the inside of your RV while it's here for service, from the lot porter moving it to the technician working on it, will be wearing gloves during the process. Once the repairs are complete on your RV, the technician will take the time to disinfect any surfaces they came in contact with during the repair process. When assigned to pick up your RV, our lot porters will take the time again to sanitize your keys, your steering wheel, your shifter, and anything else they came in contact with, just as they did when you dropped it off.